In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images into frames in Canva. If you've already placed a frame on your design, but aren't sure how to get a photo into it, this walkthrough will take you from confusion to done in just a few moments. Frames in Canva are like smart placeholders. They automatically crop your image to the shape of the frame, so you get clean, professional results without manual masking. First, open the project that contains your frame. Make sure the frame is visible on your canvas so you know exactly where the photo will land. Next, add your photo to the project. You can work with any image you already see in your uploads, or bring in a new one so it appears in your sidebar. The goal is simply to have the photo visible and ready to grab. Now, click the photo once, hold your mouse button, and drag it directly over the frame. As you hover, you'll notice the frame highlight. That's your cue that Canva is ready to place the image inside. Release your mouse, and the photo will instantly snap into the frame. That's the entire placement step. No menus, no extra tools. To refine the look, double-click the image inside the frame. This opens a focused adjustment view, where you can click and drag the photo to reposition it within the frame's boundaries. Slide the image until the most important part of your subject sits exactly where you want it. Watch the edges, so nothing essential gets unintentionally cropped. When it looks right, click outside the frame to confirm. If the image doesn't drop into the frame, make sure you're releasing it right over the center of the frame, not just near it. Always look for that highlight before you let go. If something goes off track, use undo to try again. One more quick tip: only frames accept images this way. If you drag onto a regular shape, nothing will happen. So double check that you're working with a true frame. You can also explore different looks by repeating the same drag and drop step with another photo. The frame will swap it in automatically. And while you're adjusting, remember that you're moving the image inside the frame, not the frame itself. So keep your cursor on the photo until you're happy with the placement. That's it. Open your project, add your photo, drag it into the frame, and double-click to adjust the positioning. With this simple workflow, you can fill any frame shape, circles, letters, or more complex designs, and keep your layout clean, consistent, and ready to share.